Hey guys, very big news. At noon on Friday, the broadcast will be broadcast on the 4th on the same day. It was broadcasted on the same day as the fifth wheel of the future and the women's swordsman Brenje Brace won the starring role of Ojiki Seri and Emoja Misaki. The museum of the broadcast room will be released on September 1st. The museum of the company will be released on the 1st September.